YouTube? This is Jonathan Youngs back at it again, and this is the unboxing of the Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It would be very helpful. Thank you. Ooh. There we go. One last thing. Okay, some stickers. That's nice. I mean, yeah, stickers. USB-C port, I think. And lastly, and there we have it. And there we have it. The 17 Pro Max and Cosmic Orange unboxing. Right here. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day or night, depending where you are.